Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is an IoT and cloud-based environmental monitoring system using Arduino with a GPRS modem. So in this project, we are using IoT web page, PHP, MySQL database, and HTTP, HTML, and SMS alert as well as email alert. So in this project, we are using one 5 volts power supply module, Arduino Uno R3 board, GSM SIM 900A, RX TX 0 and 1, and we are using total 1 2 3 4 5 6 sensors. We are using LM35 temperature sensor, it is connected to the A0, humidity sensor, it is connected to the A1, moisture sensor, it is connected to the A2, and MQ6 gas sensor, it is connected to the A3, and carbon monoxide sensor MQ9, it is connected to the A4, MQ135 air quality sensor, it is connected to the A5, 16 cross 2 LCD display, it is connected with RS enable D4 D5 D6 D7 8 9 10 11 12 13 GPIO pin numbers, and 6 analog pins converting into the digital, and output should be displayed on the LCD. And let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source. We are using that power source will goes to the GSM board and as well as the two power supply boards. So there are large number of components, that's why I am using two power supply board. And here we are using GSM SIM 900A. Slowly press down, it should be open. Okay, and insert the SIM card slowly, and lock it. And this is lock unlock type. Lock it, unlock, then press to lock, unlock, press to lock it. GSM SIM 900A, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 780 regulator, 1 LED. So this is a 5 volts power supply module, Arduino Uno R3 board, and the LM35 temperature sensor, it is connected to the A0, humidity sensor, it is connected to the A1, soil moisture sensor, it is connected to the A2. So MQ6, it is connected to the A3, MQ9 carbon monoxide sensor A4, MQ135 air quality, it is connected to the A6, A5. Okay, so here we are getting the outputs. So here is our web page, IoT air, and then copy, paste. Okay, and the web page will comes. So LM35 temperature sensor, humidity sensor, moisture sensor, and then MQ6, MQ9, and MQ135. So here is the database, temperature sensor, humidity sensor, soil moisture sensor, MQ6, MQ9, and MQ135. So in our mobile phone also I logged in. Okay, so now I start the power supply. IoT based environment monitoring system, GPRS testing, connected, echo, finding network, test message, CGATT. So here we can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance. So GPRS came, HTTP1, HTTP2, so T for temperature, H for humidity, S for soil moisture, MQ6, MQ9, and MQ135. Okay, so now I am going to increase the temperature using one doop stick. Temperature 45 above, SMS alert and email alert updated onto the web page. Yeah, temperature 49. Yeah, temperature 49 came. Okay, send completed. Okay, now the time is 3:58, 15:58, and 15:58, 13:07, 24. Okay, and one SMS alert and email alert. So go to email, SMS alert came, so MQ6, MQ135 air quality, yeah, MQ135, MQ6, yeah, temperature alert. Okay, humidity, I given the humidity through my mouth, 71. 69, 50 above, 50 above, SMS alert, email alert. Okay, all are coming. Humidity alert, and go to web page. Humidity, here humidity 69. Okay, send. Okay, sending SMS 1, SMS 2, message sent. Okay, SMS alert came. Okay, and moisture alert. Okay, humidity came. Okay, moisture also came. Humidity 50 above, that's why it came. Temperature, moisture alert. Okay, and I will go for the, every 10 counts it will send the data to server also. Send. Okay, I will go for the MQ6 alert. MQ6, these two interchange. MQ9 alert, and then go to air quality. Every 2 counts it will send the data to server. Okay, high gas alert and high CO alert. Go to web page, it will update. Send. Okay, updated. Sending SMS 1. MQ6, MQ9. So power supply board, power supply bed, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 2 LED, GSM SIM 900A, 16x2 LCD display, and LM35 temperature sensor, humidity sensor, moisture sensor. Okay, so 2 LED should be on. Moisture 250. Then it will send the data MQ6, MQ9, and MQ135. And this is our block diagram. Thank you.